Dear friends, today I will explain to you the difference between undefined and indeterminate. First of all, I am coming to indeterminate. You know well about the ratio 0 divided by 0. And there is a law of mathematics. If a number is divided with the same number, the result should be 1. Let's see whether 0 upon 0 is equals to 1 or not. Okay, let us consider this number 0.001. This number is very small, and I say this number is approximately 0. And divided by 0.0001. In the division, the number again approaches to 0. So then according to me, the numerator is 0, denominator is 0. But what about the result? They cancel out and the result comes out equals to 1. Okay, if you say 0.0001 is not exactly 0, so I consider this number 0.00000000 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 1. 0.0000000001. Now according to me, the numerator is very near 0, denominator is also very near to 0. But according to the mathematics rule, the number cancels out and the result comes out equals to 1. And if you are still not satisfied with it, let us consider the case 0 upon 0. I may write it as 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. Okay? And I may write it as 1 square minus 1 square, 1 square minus 1 square. You know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. The same in the denominator. Now what happened now? It cancels out. 1 plus 1, it is 2 divided by 2. And what is 2 divided by 2? This is equals to 1. So you see, 0 upon 0 comes out equals to 1. And if you are still not satisfied, let us come to the trigonometry. Let us consider sine theta upon tangent theta. And I choose theta equals to 0 degree. Then what about the ratio? Sine 0 upon tangent 0. Sine 0 is 0. Tan 0 is also 0. That the ratio is 0 upon 0. Okay. Now again, I may write this expression as sine theta upon cos theta. Okay. And what about? This becomes sine theta into cos theta upon sine theta. Now sine theta cancels. So this ratio, I mean sine theta upon tangent theta, it becomes equals to cos theta. And if I put now what I have chosen, theta equals to 0. Now I put theta equals to 0. And it becomes cos 0. And cos 0 is 1. So I again proved 0, 0 also equals to 1. And there is a law of mathematics. If the number is divided by the same number, The result is 1. And I proved it here. But this is not the only case of 0 divided by 0. There is another case. Look. There is another case. 0 by 0, I may write it as 0.0001, and according to my mind, this tends to 0, no problem. But what about the result of this figure? The result is 0 divided by something, it is 0. But you will say, this is not exactly 0, the denominator. Okay, let I choose this number. 0.00000000000001. Now, according to my mind, this is very, very close to 0. And 0 divided by something, this is a number. So 0 divided by any number, the rule of mathematics, what it is? 0 divided by any number, the result is 0. So I proved here 0 by 0 is 1, 0 by 0 is 0 also. Now, again, they are not the two cases. There is a third case too. What it is that? Look, 0 upon 0. So this may be written as 100 minus 100, 100 minus 100. And this is written as 10 square minus 10 square, and 10 is taken as common, 10 minus 10. You know a square minus b square, 10 plus 10, 10 minus 10, 10, 10 minus 10. So this cancels. What it is? 20 upon 10. What is 20 upon 10? 2. So I proved here 0 by 0 is equals to 2. Now, what do you say? I proved 0 upon 0 equals to 1. The number divided by same number is 1. 0 upon 0. And 0 divided by any number, the rule of mathematics is 0. 0 divided by any number, like this case. I here proved 0 by 0 equals to 2 also. Now, this is the sense that 0 upon 0 is indeterminate. Indeterminate, but not say it is not defined. It is defined, it is having value. It is having value, but it is indeterminate. We don't know what will be the value. There are many values, but not at this instance which value is chosen. You may say this is the value, this may be the value, this may be the value. So this is called, that's why it's called 0 upon 0 is indeterminate. But now say it is undefined. Now I am coming what we mean by undefined. Undefined. Now let I consider the case 4 by 2. Equals to 2. And by the rule of mathematics, 4 equals to 2 into 2. Right? Now I consider the case 4 upon 0. What it is? What is the 4 upon 0? If I say it is, let it is any number like x, then 4 equals to 0 multiplied by x. Now 0 multiplied by x should be equal to 0. But we don't have any x which when multiplied by 0 becomes equals to this number. So this is undefined. This is undefined, not indeterminate. Because not possible for us. There is no number like x which when multiplied by 0 and becomes equals to the left hand side. There is no number. So here we say this something, some number divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, so don't confuse between the two, undefined and indeterminate. Indeterminate having many values